Hello everyone, welcome to Roadmap for IAS. This is the first video I am creating, and this will be followed by a series of good videos which will be very informative for every UPSC aspirant. So in this video, I am going to tell you how I have got a 90% scholarship from Byju's for the IAS tablet program, and what are the things which they are giving at an attractive price at a discount of 90% to me. But before moving further, let me tell you how I got this scholarship and what is the process Byju's follows for giving such scholarships. So as you can see, I gave this Byju's National Scholarship Test for IAS exam, which was scheduled on the 10th of October 2020, of which the results came on 13th of October 2020. And as it is written there, get up to 100% scholarship. So indeed, Byju's gives 100% scholarship to top 20 students, as they have told me to me. So as you can see, I have secured a 99.6 percentile on an all India basis in this test, at 99.6 percentile as well in my state, and 99.8 percentile in my city. So first I will tell you what was asked in the test. So the test was basically a basic test in which questions were mostly from NCERTs and the current affairs. It was not a test like that of IS Baba or Insights on IAS, Insights on India, which bombards you with very tough questions in the name of giving scholarships. So Byju's is very way ahead in terms of the type of questions which they ask. So indeed, the questions were really on the basis of the UPSC pattern, current recent pattern. As you know, that this year the paper was a little bit different, and we need to be more focused on the NCERT static portions as well. So the test was designed in such a way that a serious UPSC aspirant can easily attempt those questions and get a good rank in this test. So as you can see, I was given the option for the IS 2021 program, as well as I also got the option for IS 2022 program, which is shown in the next slide. So you can see that it is written that you will receive a scholarship of 90% on the program, and you will receive a fully paid training trip to Delhi on the clearance of this mains for 25 days, and flights plus accommodation will be part of the package. So we'll discuss more about the interview program a bit later. So this is the so I got two mails, one for the 2021 and one for the 2022. I could opt for any one of them. So as you can see, this is for the 2022, as I already mentioned. So let's move on to the next slide and see what are the benefits which they actually are offering to me in this program. So this is a screenshot from the mail itself. So they say that how the Byju's program will help me. So they have told that in the tablet there will be 500 plus hours of video lectures, which will cover almost all the static portions which are relevant for the UPSC examination. So the video lessons are part of the tablet program, and I'll also get the hard copies of the study material. So they have told that they will give me the books like Indian Polity by Lakshmi Kant, Indian Ancient Past by R.S. Sharma, History of Modern India by Bipin Chandra and all. So these books will be customized by Byju's. So it will not be the ones which are available in the market from Amazon or Flipkart, which you can buy directly. So these actually books are customized by Byju's. So once I receive them, I'll do an unboxing and let you know what are the differences which is there in the books. So let's move on to the next slide. Another benefit which they are offering to me is the current affairs webinar, which is happening every Tuesday and every Thursday in the evening. As they have conveyed the time to me is 8:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. in the night every Tuesday and Thursday, and this will be a webinar based on the current happenings in the entire week. The first Tuesday's thing is for the session, and Thursday is for the doubt clearing session for the current affairs, as well as we can even ask the doubts on the relevant subjects if there is any contemporary topic related to it. And another thing is mentor support. So this is one of the very big thing which they are offering to me. So they are telling that I will get a mentor which will be dedicated to me, and I can call the mentor at any point of time from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. in the night, and I can ask them any questions relevant to even UPSC or even in my daily life if I'm facing some kind of motivational problems or any other kind of problem. So they are telling me that they will give me a mentor support. So that mentor will be throughout the journey with me, and if he will also check on my progress, what am I reading and how am I progressing in the results. So in the so there will be periodic tests, and he will also mentor and help in the test as well. Then they are offering me the student portal access. So they have a student portal, and they will give me access to recorded sessions of the current affairs webinar. As I told you, if I'm unable to attend them, then there will be recorded sessions and I can see them according to my convenience, according to my time, when I am comfortable with. And even the student portal which will have access to current affairs magazine as well as practice sets for the UPSC examination. Then another very good feature which I always wanted to have is the regular testing features. Like you are seeing that it is written that fortnightly test will be taken. So they will give me a fortnightly, like 15 days test will be there for prelims as well as mains, and it will be used for the analysis of my performance. So regular testing is very necessary for the UPSC examination, because if you're not doing any testing of your skills, then all the studies which you have done, you don't know if it is going in the right direction or not. So as part of the testing program, we also have the modular test based MCQs and descriptive test as well. And the question paper discussions will happen in a separate session. Personalized analysis of answers of the mains will be done. As they have told me that I have to send them the answer copies, taking a photo of them to WhatsApp, and then they will evaluate it within the 3 working days, and then they will send me the feedback. So this will be really a good strategy for the mains examination, as you know it is a descriptive paper. So this is all about the offerings which they are giving me. So there are specific details regarding each of the points which I have mentioned above, and in the next video I will let you know the exact details of the means exact offerings which they are providing me, and the price which they have asked me, and the discount which they are offering to me. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll share all the details in the next video. And I have already availed for this option, so the kit is actually in the shipment, so it is already in transit, and once it reaches me, I will unbox everything and show it to you, so that you can take a better decision whether to opt for Byju's or not. Thank you very much. Also, please like, share, subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you very much.